Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to edit category page in WordPress. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, in order for you to edit category page in WordPress, you need to have the Elementor plugin. So if you don't have this plugin, don't worry because I already created a tutorial on how to add Elementor in WordPress. So just go ahead and find the tutorial and add the Elementor on your WordPress account. So after you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and sign in your WordPress account. After that, just go ahead and click on the template section at the left side of your screen, then select category. So once you've clicked on the category, you should see the list of categories that you have on your WordPress account. Then just go ahead and select the category that you want to edit. Okay, so if you have the category that you want to edit, just go ahead and move your mouse in that category, and then you should see the edit option at the lower part of it. Okay, so now just go ahead and start editing the category. And once you are done editing, just go ahead and click on the update button at the lower part of your screen to save all of your changes. Okay, and that is how you edit a and that is how you edit category page in WordPress. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.